Good afternoon. Dr. Gary calling you from the road from Healthcare Practice Sales LLC. Our phone number, feel free to call at any time, is 201-663-0935. 201-663-0935. Our website address is www.dentalpracticeguide.com. Feel free to call us. We'd love to talk to you. We work 363 days a year, and we take off Christmas and Easter. We always answer the phone. I've been fortunate to have great co-workers. We presently now have 2 CPA accountants. We have a presence in 14 states, and we have a marketing director, a copywriter, and we have 3 marketing people that can assist us. So we're here to help you. Primarily our business is the sale of dental practices, brokering the sale of dental practices by representing the seller and bringing the buyer to view the various practices for sale. We work closely with the doctor, the seller, the buyer, and often we get a very high rate of success once a buyer is interested. Now, there's no fees to the buyer, no fees, no charge, no cost, no commission, nothing. Buyer pays nothing. Seller takes care of all of our commission. So we're here to help you. Many people have been asking, well, what is the status with banks nowadays? Are they loaning? And they are lending, 100%. What they're looking at for a practice that is, they'll look at year 19, and then they'll view year 20 to see if year 20 has rebounded to at least 80-85%. When they do that, they'll often finance at 80%, at 100%, and then they'll often give to some working capital to the buyer, so he's not starting out from zero. The money is available. The money is flowing. There are some great banks. Make sure you use a dental bank. That's one of the keys to the success of a dental office purchasing it, and it just works out great. The success rate is unbelievable. It's 99.75%. Essentially, nobody fails. And those that do fail, unfortunately, got involved in some type of drug or alcohol, it seems. We don't want that happening to you. So stay in touch. Call us if you have questions. Look at our website, and each month we're updating it. I think we have 91 offices for sale between New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Connecticut, Rhode Island, and northern Massachusetts. We're also in Delaware, Maryland, Washington, D.C., and we're also in Florida, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and we're growing. We're excited. We hope you come along with us. Give us a call anytime, and we want to thank you for listening, but rest assured the money is there from the banks. We can get the loan done for you. We'll make some advice on who the best banks are, and I think it would work out fantastic for you. Thank you. Bye now.